When you say Rosealee don't take care of her lover, don't take care of her sister, Rosealee could have done more for save you yard, and nobody now look on the wickedness of that. You could have done more for save you yard, and look on where to Akeam, you that live comfortable to the day, and you envy and hate Jakes for developing under Marcia. Jakes find a structure and put it up underneath Marcia. You should have put up a structure underneath Laverne so that your Pitney them can inherit something in the long run. Barbara and Chantal should have fight over upstairs and downstairs while you and Jakes have fight over underneath the toilet. Me nah ask you no. Me nah ask you no. You should have do that, but you never do that. You develop Akeam and leave your child. You have a daughter and you ensure say your child, even when you guys were sleeping in the train station, not a junkie or a cracky lay a finger on your child. And you are going to tell me now, say, you go above and beyond. You could have run leave that child. You could have exposed that child to a lot of stuff, and you did not. So why are you encouraging Rosealee now to come out and talk an argument that should be kept in CV, the police station, and at the unit? Why would you encourage Rosealee now to come up here and state her displeasure? And then now, you all know, say, as a mother, she got up the next day focusing on who no want her, who a class her, who a chat her, who a rubber road. Fine. That is okay. You understand me? Not realizing that her daughter is going through, or should be going through, a mental breakdown, and she should be there one way or another. If I ever for meet your daughter, put and play. If I ever for meet your daughter, a sovereign, talk to your daughter, look your daughter in the eyes, ask your daughter how she feel, tell her don't make this get her down, tell her break generation curse, tell her how it's going to be better. Talk to your daughter. You have to leave the kids outside. Then who bring the kids them on the app? Now them bring the kids situation on the app, so all the kids them must be left out of it. Yeah, me fear wonder in my head now to all them take it so casually. Me fear wonder if it's the norm. You understand me? So we are talking about and drama. How many body count your daughter have? How many body counts your daughter have? Yeah, come but leave the kids them out. I love talk about leave kids out when you don't want the mama them behave carelessly. Rosealee is a careless, dirty girl. Careless. She forgot to have a digital footprint, and the app Jakes was never around the kids. If when Rosealee did that save you or Pitney them did itch up on her. When Rosealee did that, I could have 9 o'clock she has to Shanta. When Rosealee was at save you, she used to say, bye-bye. Shanta! Them never their own Jakes. Them never their own Jakes. So why know it is a problem? Rosealee want to take back the Pitney them and give to Mossy Yellow or Mellow or Dello. They should want to take back the Pitney them from Marcia. You didn't hear Rosealee talk about. If you had came on and said Jakes and reprimand Jakes, what mean reprimand Jakes and Jakes careless? Remember when time Jakes come on the upper police they look for him. Jakes careless, so what you going to reprimand him about? That's your baby for. And that's the man you chose. Remember you pick a thief? Are you the pick a thief? Crazy, why not go beat before me slap you up? No, but it's not lie. Why should we reprimand a thief? Are you come up on the app every day and beg all medication for your Pitney them? Are you we know a beg for your Pitney them? All the begging change from your kids them to Akeam now. Then all of a sudden you gotta talk about say Akeam never did there. When you have become a mother, so me can't tell you, so if I tell Akeam, so if I teach you the right. Me not if I tell Akeam that. Akeam came to you as a thief too. Remember your body called for thief and batty people. Remember so your body called for thief and batty people. So we may go tell Akeam, so no. Me say if Akeam mother did go him good, me don't know, say, you nah pay Pitney them no mind. Any Akeam mother did pay mine, you would have know all children forget attention. Are you alone to accept Akeam and him pass, and Akeam now accept you and your kids? You accept Akeam and his failure, but you not accept your kids. You accept Akeam with him chat him out towards you and girl with him a look, but you not accept your kids. You easily give up on your kids. Your kids do have no chances with you. Take out some Akeam 49 chances and choke for your children. That's all you need for the, but nobody not tell you the truth. You see, in a situation like this where the kids are hurting, you don't blame mother, one, and you don't blame father. You come together, you blame the parents. You come together and you blame both of you. Jake's all afraid to touch Shanta. It's 2 minutes ago you come out and say, if Jake's on the camera, turn the camera upon Shanta bottom, which is true. You understand me? You highlight all of those stuff. You know exactly the predator that you're leaving your kids with. And you did that because in order for put Jake's down, you rather damage your children. So you can come out and look like, you see me I tell you, me a good mother. You ain't good mom. You're never a good mother. My baby. You're never a good mother, and it's showing now. Of course, me talk about that. You get after 10, you shut your mouth. Because you don't know nothing about you send the daughter after 10 go road. You don't know nothing, go do your research. My love, after 3, my baby. Yeah, come with after 10. After 10, a modest time in, my love. Them time the too modest. You talk about after 10? Chill. Add more upon that shit. Your mad at 3 a.m., 4. I'll trip at the baby and go bed. Get up and go bed. And the internet sit down and support all of these things, my baby. All of them. All of them. So it make me wonder now, how for them parents go them or how them go for them Pitney. That's why when Zandrama said leave the kids out of it. Are the kids them in it? That's why Rosealee leave the party and come talk about Shanta. You understand me? So you have to understand. All for cigarette. Thank you, my baby. Shanta was very young. Remember when Shanta and 9, Shanta washed clothes for the house. Shanta said, Mommy, now wash no more your drawers. Your drawers them too big, but in a big she wants to stay. So make it make sense. Just make it make sense. Remember the little baby in the house and say, Mommy, you're not giving me any attention. You're here, but you're not here. Yeah, come out. You're not too dirty and careless. You're not too dirty and careless. Very careless. You hear Akeam chat you. What Jakes could have ever do you so in a life. Not even born at like when Akeam where you are mine, where you just know, where just come from prison, you buy a bedroom set, and it took you a warm time to buy your children them clothes, and you gladly buy the boy a bedroom set. You gladly buy the boy. Rosealee, if you come out and accept the fact that the boy trick you, the boy trick you, them trick on you with people vehicle. I saw them all on the card. I saw them all on the card. Right, you know, you're afraid if Akeam look on the nursing home, it's a bother you. If Akeam and you out on the nursing home, it's a bother you. Because you want to be the sole provider for Akeam. And that you want to be the sole provider. That's why Akeam come and talk, say, you love him till you're full. And if you don't go and bad over him, the money no make. So Akeam can make money for him own. I want to ask you a question. He has been on the street and Akeam say him help a whole heap of girl. Him help a whole heap of girl. Ask him brown girlfriend one time, girlfriend, I forgot what she name. Ask him, say I him bill she. So how him can bill you? Me not understand how the builder can bill you. I say you hard for bill you. What kind of foundation? Was him say him bill was. So me no know how him can bill you. It's chopping party. How him can bill she. A long time me I wait for your bill. She am reaping ground, so him can't afford for building a structure upon that. No skyscraper. She too out of order. Me never slung you so upon the light. Wanna move, wanna nastiness, wanna some set of dirty depression. Yeah, me know girl we want bill man. When me tell you say Akeam tie Rosealee, you should have believed me. When I tell you, say Akeam tie a knot up. When you say Rosealee don't take care of her lover, don't take care of her sister, Rosealee could have done more for save you yard, and nobody now look on the wickedness of that. You could have done more for save you yard, and wait, look on where Akeam, you live comfortable to the day, and you envy and hate GX for developing under Marcia. GX find a structure and put it up underneath Marcia. You should have put up a structure underneath Laverne so that your Pitney them can inherit something in the long run. Barbara and Chantal should have fight over upstairs and downstairs while you and GX have fight over underneath the toilet. Me nah ask you no. Me nah ask you no. You should have do that, but you never do that. You develop Akeam and leave your child. Yeah? Akeam are your thoughts. Akeam, your prayer. Yes, it's true. And God will charge you. No care what the internet wants, the internet not give salvation. Thank you very much, my baby. The internet not give salvation. No matter what the internet wants say, God will charge you. Remember this. God will charge you for your negligence. As simple as it want be, God is going to charge you. Hush, Legion. No, it's true. All people still don't talk this and talk that. God will reprimand you. Anthony, thank you. No care where you want to go or where you want to do. And no care how much you want to talk. Good boy, God is going to charge you as a female who has been through this thing. You open the door for your daughter to go through it. Rosealee, don't sit here in front of my face and blame a man named GX because you accept GX bringing in man by your Pitney them. Remember when bad man used to guard you? You encourage GX to bring in the brother them and them sleep in the living room by your Pitney them. Remember this, Rosealee. Remember this. That's why your little girl act like a baby shatter. I mean not talk with a matic. She act like she know the clinic. Blessing no follow Rosealee. And anybody who want to call her Rosealee I got you blessing. It's not blessing. Nothing where you mix Obia with can be a blessing. Rosealee for move from here sang where Rosealee if you have a barnyard. Now ask you no. She favor barnyard. And it's just the truth. Your mother needed help, your sister needed help. You could have developed, save you, and gain the respect in a save you. Your Pitney them could have in a save you and gain the respect from other people because them dirty. You know some set of dirty folks. You come on the internet and says the internet make your Pitney them get take away. You see you lie from Akeam. You give the baby them from before Akeam. So till Akeam come in your life, him strengthen it. You find it fit him to give them away more. Is you make CDA take the Pitney them. It's not GX. Is you. GX do things as a stepfather and father. GX visit the school. Teachers know GX more than how they know you. So why should we sit here and give GX all the blame? That is my question. Where you break the news to the internet, it no matter how long Marcia and GX want to know, so the brother fingerprint the pan Shanta if it's true. It doesn't matter. When the news came to your ears, you send your child to you bring your child on live, make sure talk the argument, send her a bed, get up the next morning, gone on trip with Akeam. Work out that. So why you better bring it on the net fam? Them always say sick no care, doctor no care. Sure blame everybody. TikTok liar, what away them want to rub you out. I tell you, sir. You should drop GX from the get-go. Then TikTok liar, you never know, so I saw GX here. You never saw GX here, TikTok liar?
My first speed.
From my ear GX cost I ban him, I drop him. From my ear GX cost I ban him for the one line where Rosealee said. Then what away Rosealee did cut when I care in a taxi go in GX. And when me there tell you say Rosealee and GX not left, you know, wouldn't believe me. Old habits die hard, so all Cheryl she a fix up out and a later. Cheryl thanks. But Rosealee shall slide on those tiles. Thank you. You see? Jakes only left Rosealee when everybody attacks, say him and Rosealee still there. Him only left for them time now. But Lady Cheryl, look for your investment. Yeah, look for your investment. Lady Cheryl Rosealee 18 because you bus Jakes to New Frontier. But she gets what she happy, so Jakes don't know how to maneuver things. Cause remember 1,005 grand she used to use her old Jakes, you never know. And you have spend an arm and a leg. But that's why you go when you take girl man. You have to pay extras. TikTok liar. You should have never pick up for Jakes. You should never pick up for Jakes. You never know. Jakes are out there alone and swim. Working testing deep sea skills. You should never pick up for Jakes. But let go Jakes on the get go from him done Ivan. Yeah? Now that you want him. Yeah, it's true. Lady Cheryl knows saying all Jakes are doing that money, that's why the house moves so slow. Cause Jakes have to catch up. And when Rosealee did have him in a band, in a hostage. And if I catch up, remember Rosealee never want Jakes to drink him own or anything. A boom around Jakes now. Anything Rosealee drink or that Jakes drink. So only never know say Jakes ungrateful. Take that like I say, why you eat so stush? Me eat stush? No, me don't eat stush. No. No, for sure. Jakes ungrateful for sure. Jakes and Rosealee did there. So how Jakes not adapt certain things from Rosealee? Didn't think say Jakes and Rosealee did there and Jakes did always at our church on Wednesday, Sunday and Friday? Answer the question. What did you really think so? Now may I ask you know, Jakes ungrateful him learn everything from Rosealee. Every single thing. Then only the similarity in a Jakes. Only the similarity in a Jakes. They are the same thing. They are the same God Almighty thing. Yeah. Then TikTok liar. Then what a women here say you are sassy at it. What are them saying? You are sassy at it. Then TikTok liar no say you not forget involved with them people then. Sassy need a book. I don't know how you talk to them people in a TikTok liar. But I can't talk to them. Food nice though. Sweet though. Yeah man, you put your muscles them in this. Are you hatched the egg?
You must be married. Lay
more. If Rosealee for you lay, ignore she can't usually ostrich. See, I them have a drop big out of she, you know. Then liar. You know, Rosealee say if me did reprimand Jakes, they may never know say me a master, yeah? They may never know say me push my jaws in a Rosealee face, in a Rosealee mouth. I never know that. But Rosealee makes she come out and talk about the Shanta argument, you know. That's why I say if all of this happened from way back when Rosealee hear about it. Huh? The granny know about this long time. After the first, that's why Shanta can say, Mommy, forget it. It's not the first, the baby is not even traumatized. What kind of environment the Pitney are going for them not to be traumatized? Yeah. Every time Jake's mess up for true lie, she will always call him. And that is not so. Because she has been messing up. Rosealee come out and say she never hear me talk nothing good about her. TikTok liar. No, me come out and say leave Rosealee alone. She don't deserve this. In spite of, with Nessa the lady. Bling. With Nessa Bling. No, me come out and say leave Rosealee alone. Leave her alone. Me not tell a lie. She not deserve. Would I never hear that? I draw back your son. You know, so when time Akeam did say down to Shebada, when me think hate me, come out attack, and I say, you know, say, Rosealee is because she never want Akeam say that. Rosealee is a dirty, bad mind, black heart girl. Not that me I look for it, but it's just that you deserve every single thing where you go through in your life. Everything, every pressure meant you deserve 100-fold. Yeah, I said leave the child alone. What do you mean Jesus after 18? I didn't come out from somebody block that. What do you mean Jesus after 18? Who cares? After 9 for me, so we're not up on the same level. Rosealee want the world for the on her side, not me. Me have better things to do. Not me. Yeah. Rosealee fight for stay relevant on the FYP. That's why Akeam tells Slutty say, if she not go on so, no money no make. So, when she did say, Akeam want kill Jaden. If he make $1 million, I make 500,000. Jaden is standing there way. It's not Akeam alone plan for do Jaden things. Rosealee they behind it to PP clock and me not afraid to talk. Remember Rosalie's attitude, anybody who will make it on the FYP, she tear them down. Remember back long ago, in time she World Dog and Rosealee had the same attitude. So it's not Akeam they behind it only. Rosealee they behind it PP clock. That's why Jaden never got Rosealee party. Because Jaden a play hypocrite. Jaden knows say it's Rosealee they behind Akeam wanting him not to be on the app. So nobody not tell me nothing. Them are hypocrite against them one another. Rosealee come out strong. Shebada can't tell me about to tell Akeam to do this. However, you can come out, come say, me can tell you to tell Akeam, but you can't come out, come say. Wanna leave Akeam alone, Akeam no want do this, Akeam no want do that. Wanna leave Jaden, me and Jaden a come from far. One of the best set of hypocrite me ever see so far. Yeah? You don't come out, come address none of the accusation that caused an Akeam name as it relates to Jaden, but you can come out and address people for not calling Akeam name, stating that he's not being a good friend to you. And your kids. Make it make sense. If figure it out and Akeam never managed, Jaden wouldn't there close to figure it out. So me not understand. So we're not talk about unity. Unity how? So make it make sense. Not the way Akeam do. That's why I tell you say Akeam switch you from your Obia man to his Obia man. So Akeam tie upon him. You're under Akeam orders or Akeam spell. And it's just the truth. And it's so funny that you go for Obia Smaddy and Smaddy Obia you. Or you work out that? Or you work out that? Right now, Rosealee, you don't know where you're in. A year game, this and Akeam beat you at it. You don't know where you're in. You don't know where you're in. If somebody really sit down and interview you and ask you the question, what's the purpose between you and Akeam? What you gonna tell them? Say, I'm a man? No, we don't want to hear that because we know that I lie. So what's your purpose?
This, which one of them? This? This?
Yeah. What's your purpose? Why me care? Because them dip on my FYP and then them buy my gigabytes. That's why me care.
Come suck with. Come on. Why you here?
The one that take my arm again. Someone that catch my arm again.
Them come over
there. No, but I'm not lying. Tell me the truth. Come have us. Oh my God. I know me can't bother. Me can't bother, you know. Honestly. No. Whoa. No, my mother rated them active, man. My mother rated them active. One thing with my mother rated them active. Yeah. Huh? Oh God. What's so? Look at my eye, girl. When I told no for big and curious, are the rotten teeth people them there? Are the rotten teeth people them from the nursing home? And people them with the jubble around them neck. Not me. No, I'm not lying. What you gonna say? Big and dirty and careless. More Akeam take two of the no teeth people I told the no teeth people more Akeam take part. Cause she don't know say Akeam a look money. Oh, that smile looks so medium. Lion or switchy. And that me didn't want to talk to you about. Lion or switchy, I you say so.
Let's take some come back, right?
Yeah, my baby. Lion or switchy. Lion don't switchy. And that me didn't want to address. We don't talk about lion. You have a gym? Yeah, switchy. She not switchy at all. Okay. Rosealee knows she do. Rosealee knows that she and Lion a friend of Rosealee. And she also set up an interview with she and Lion. Just because she want to use Lion platform to bring down Jakes. She think it never work. The same bottomless pit where Jakes go. And this is Rosealee go. Lion is switching. Rosealee make a point and Lion listen. Not that Jakes is right. But Rosealee not right either. So when you can say liar, switchy. I told you that say about me when I reprimand other people when you claim to say I'm always a pickup fan. I saw you say about me. At the end of the day, you can do something wrong in your time and you don't get blamed for it. You never know that? Let me explain to you. So between she and Jaden know Queen not like him and Jaden know she not like him and Jaden make them friend him and friend him. You understand me? Now Jaden invite them She to him yard. Alright, fine. He's doing a good thing. Him and bend bridges. You know? However, you sleep and mark death. You should never bring them in the yard. You should just stick to them as friends from the app. Now she come in my yard and videotape and screenshot and all of them something there. Should she not do it? Of course she's supposed to do it. Remember she not like him for a morning. So any form of evidence, she will have it against him because him invite her in her domain. But on the flip side of the coin now, as a human being, that is so inhumane. You understand me? Somebody can't trust you so much to invite you in them space and you behave like Judas to them. So, when I'm a speech, you don't understand. And the same thing with Rosealee. Not that Jakes is a good individual, but him always give the kids more attention. And that Rosealee display while she was living in Seaview from before, she had the door them, the new door. You understand me? She always said Jakes invest in the kids and blah blah. Really, Jakes got school, Jakes got church, Jakes got work, Jakes got this, Jakes got that. Fine. If you're on the app to make money for your kids, why is Jakes in the background taking care of all these things? You understand me? So I say, since Jakes flexible enough with the kids then, he deserves every gift for the audience are send, because if the audience are sending based on the kids, send it to Jakes. Not that he's a good individual, but imposed to be a better parent than you. So we should have reprimand him about the 12 years that we don't know each other and how him treat you. Rosealee go lick out Laverne, use your tongue like a cricket bat underneath Laverne. You're brighty. You're brighty. But if I had been an internet counselor, nobody will tell you the truth. Nobody not tell you the truth. And the truth them for tell you, got to spend time by your Pitney them. Nobody not telling you the truth. The kids are being affected by the parents' carelessness and nobody not talking the truth. You have a man where you are mine and Jakes have a woman where mine him. When I alright in a life and the Pitney them is just a bounce boat, supposing to know which path deliver the Pitney them later, them full of address. A first young Pitney them say full of so much address and them just ban. Them are not even teenager nor adult and them full of address. How you work out that?